Assalamu alaikum dear students. I welcome to online class of history. Dear students, today we are going to discuss first chapter of history class 8, that is when, where and how. The topics which we are going to cover in this chapter are importance of dates in history. Second is periodization of Indian history. And third is sources of modern history. Let us discuss first topic of this chapter, that is importance of dates. Dear students, in this topic we are going to discuss importance of dates in history. In order to understand the importance of dates in history, we have two perspectives. First is ancient perspective and second is modern perspective. Let us discuss ancient perspective first. Here in ancient perspective, we have to discuss the viewpoint of ancient historians regarding the importance of dates in history. The ancient historians were fascinated with dates. That is why there were heated debates among them about the importance of dates in history. They considered dates core to history. That is why, according to them, history it is synonymous with dates. Dates and history are interdependent on each other. It means history depends on dates and dates depend on history. According to ancient historians, present it evolves from past. So in order to develop proper understanding of present, we need to look to its history. So according to them, whatever we are witnessing at present, it is past, and that past is associated with dates. Therefore, we can say that according to ancient historians, we can't think about history without dates. But coming to modern perspective, here in modern perspective, we have to discuss the viewpoint of modern historians regarding the importance of dates in history. Dear students, the viewpoint given by modern historians are in contradiction with the viewpoint given by the ancient historians, because modern historians gave vital importance to events in history, rather dates. According to modern historians, dates are not important in history, but events are important. They are also of the opinion that we can't give precise dates to all the events of past. According to modern historians, there are number of the events of the past to which we can't give some particular date, some precise date, because there are some events which stretches over a long period of time. Suppose British rule in India. According to them, Britishers didn't establish their rule in India in particular day. It took them centuries to establish their colonial rule over Indians. Therefore, to British rule in India, we can't give some particular date. Similarly, the national movement of India. The Indians didn't started national movement against the colonial rule of the Britishers in some particular day. It took centuries to the national leaders of India to unify the Indians and to start a unified struggle against the colonial rule of the Britishers. So therefore these are the events which took place over the longer period of time. So we won't be able to give precise dates to these events. Therefore, dates aren't important in history, but events are important. According to them, events are important in history. And they are also of the opinion that history is not only all about dates. We have to learn the changes that occur over a longer period of time. History is all about to notice the changes which took place over the different periods. So this was all about the importance of dates. Thank you.